Hi guys, I'm Cory Fisher with Toyota the Black Hills. I brought you here today because I want to show you some really cool stuff. Of course, you notice beside me here a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is the #1 reselling vehicle in the country of anything sold in North America. These hold their value so well. This is an SR5. We made a few changes on the 18 and it's really cool stuff. We added TSSP. All right, let me explain what TSSP gives you. TSSP stands for Toyota Safety Sense Premium, and it's a suite of safety equipment that we add to our already extensive safety features. We've got dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beam headlights. We have lane departure alert. Again, using the camera, it's going to watch the lines on the road. It's got pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. This is what we use for the TSSP, for that pre-collision warning system. The radar is actually underneath our emblem. Up here is the camera. You can see it there. You see the black that extends down from the rearview mirror. There's a little triangle there. There's actually a camera that sits in there. And that's what sees the light for your automatic high beam headlights. And it also watches, that camera's programmed to see people walking across the road, to see the car in front of you stop. That camera with this millimeter wave radar to see the lines on the road. Those are the things that make this TSSP work. And with our SR5s, last year and this year, we're running a dark coated alloy wheel. I think they look fantastic. We have this midnight black metallic. It's really hard to see, but when you get it in the light, it's got a ton of metallic flake in it. They're kind of blue and purple. It does glow. We're still using what we introduced in 2016, which is our 3.5 liter D4S injection. Now let me explain to you what's different about this than the old 4 liter or any V6 that we've ever used before. The whole theory behind this principle is to not sacrifice any power or torque. Torque is that power that gets something moving. Horsepower is that power that keeps something moving. So you still be able to run as good or better than you've ever done before and use less gasoline. So like our Tundra, we have the easy down tailgate. How cool is that? Tow package, every Tacoma that we order in this country, in this area, comes with a tow package. Toyota's stated goal is to have 0 traffic fatalities in any Toyota car. These seats will flip up, but there's also a ton more storage underneath here. This seat will lay down and these headrests pop off. So that's all the way across. You have this flat storage. Now there's storage behind the seat as well. So if you had a dog, if you were carrying a bunch of tools that you didn't want out in the weather, all of it will store right here. Welcome to the front end, the front seats of a Toyota Tacoma double cab. Now we've used this since 2016, but a lot of you probably haven't looked at a truck since then. And if you hadn't, let me give you some really cool features that are available in this new Tacoma. They've added more room. I'm a big guy, okay? I like my food, and I'm a big guy. I can feel it. I can feel it very well, the room in this truck. Well, I'm gonna jump in. I wanna point out all the features that we've changed. In our SR5, power windows, locks, remote keyless entry, tilt wheel, cruise, backup camera, that it's got a red interior and it's a dual tone. Check this out. They use a red piping stitching. I think this is fantastic. This switch here is for our cargo light, okay? This is new this year in 2018. That's part of TSSP, so it's automatic high beams. Here's that new power sliding window switch. It's really cool. I mean, we're such a temperate region. I mean, we get blistering cold like we had at Christmas, but we can also have 60-degree days in the middle of January. All SR5s and above have navigation. Every Toyota since 2016 has Sirius free. Every Toyota made has a backup camera. And every Toyota Tacoma since 2016, standard GoPro mount. Thank you guys very much for spending your time with me today. I very much appreciate it. Come on in and let me show you what our Toyota has to offer. It's perfect for our region, the Black Hills. These are built for our area. 4-wheel drive, we've got the TRD off-road, which gives you the crawl control, multi-terrain select. Even this 4-wheel drive will handle damn near anything you can throw at it, okay? Come on in and ask for me, Cory Fisher, Toyota the Black Hills, or one of my fellow salesmen. Let me show you what's special about it.